All right, I'm excited. I got something that I've always wanted. I always like this tech stuff, camera stuff. I have Osmo Pocket 3. I have a Insta360 Go 2, Insta360 X3, a drone, a DJI drone. And then now I have something from Sunglass Hut. This might change the way I do some vlogging. I'm planning to, here, right here. It's a Wayfarer Ray-Ban Meta. My cousin got this, my friend got this, and I tried it and I really liked it. Oh look at this. I'm peeling it off and it says, listen, call, live stream, Wayfarer. Wait for her. And then I just, yeah, I feel like I'm gonna wear this. It's transitional glasses, so it's clear glasses, and then in the sunlight with UV rays, it turns into shades. But here it is. Whoa, look at this. Look at the presentation too. They present it like this. It's like, reminds me of opening like an apple. Oh, this magnetic. So here's it comes with this case, Ray-Ban, and I think this thing right here tells you something about how much it's charged. This is the first time opening it and I don't really know much about it. And here is the sunglasses. It says Ray-Ban Meta in there too. So yeah, I plan to oh, this is like, I don't know how to, it's like clipped hard in here. Oh, okay, I pulled this off. Hopefully I didn't break anything. This was a gift from MrsLaTruce. Oh, look at this. It's a whole charging case in here. And here are the sunglasses. Right now it's clear. I don't have prescriptions. I've had 20/20 vision ever since I've ever checked. But, oh, is it... So when it's recording, it's supposed to, a light is supposed to be on here. But right now I'm seeing this green light right here. Oh, it's saying things. Oh, I think I might have to set it up, but let me put it on. Here, got it right here. Whoa. It just made a noise that kind of sounded like it's in my brain. So here, does it look funny? Does it look like I'm recording you and it's weird? But yeah, right now it's like regular glasses. I'm hearing whatever their AI is, or Siri, not Siri, but the Meta one. I'm hearing it. It sounds like it's in my head, but I think there's speakers under here. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys me opening this. This is my first time seeing it. It looks like there's cameras on each side. Looks like there's a camera on that side and then a camera on that side. I'm not sure. I think one is like a video camera, another one is the still camera. But I plan to use this just like for quick vlogs and stuff. Every time I put it on, it goes click, or like a chime. I plan to use this for like daily vlogs or something. I want to try to do many vlogs. The thing is, it doesn't film horizontal. It films portrait because it's Meta and it's for Facebook and Instagram. You can even do 30 minutes of live stream on Instagram. And this, I haven't even really looked too much about it. This kind of weight, there's a weight to this. I haven't really looked too much about it. I just saw it, I liked it, so I got it. I used my gift voucher from MrsLaTruce for this, and it's yeah, so here's a bunch of stuff in here. But anyway, these are the glasses. It's not recording unless there's a light on. I think that's for privacy reasons. They're you know, you have to have a light on, or sometimes you can't get rid of the shutter sound in some cases for some devices, just because it's you know, just for privacy reasons. But yeah, I plan to record hopefully daily or as much as I can, and then put together like little vlogs on YouTube Shorts. That's gonna be maybe 1 minute to 3 minutes long. This could record a maximum of this records a maximum of I think 3 minutes. So little mini vlogs, hopefully every day, and you know, and it's kind of like, it's pretty stable on here. Like, you know, I don't know if I want to, you can't swim with it. It's like, it's water, it's not water It's not protected from too much water, but splashes here and there should be okay. I'm not going to take it on Tiana's roller coaster, but maybe on some rides. It'd be hands-free. I could record things really quickly while I'm holding baby Truce's hand or pushing the stroller without having to stop and pull out the phone. Maybe little quick puns and stuff. That's what I intend to use this for. And in the sun, it's going to shade, but in the dark. And then I think I could also listen to music while still hearing the outside stuff. So, yeah, here it is. This is my new device I got. I'm still going to do the long form, the wide, or what is it called? The landscape mode with my Osmo 360. Because Disney, there's going to be Disney is turning 70 and their celebration starts this week. So hopefully I could get some footage. And then this will be to accompany it to hopefully do like daily vlogs because this only records in the portrait mode. So let's see, hopefully some creativity comes out of it, or just reality. What's going to happen is just dumb jokes, dumb puns. It's 10-second puns. But I'll try. I'm going to try to do something almost every day to make use of it and to kind of keep making content to keep get my juices flowing, try to be creative. But yeah, here it is. Here it is. It's my new toy. I guess this is my hobby, like YouTube. I don't get paid. I actually pay into it so much with all these devices. This was over $400. And the Osmo Pocket 3 was like, I think it was like $700 or something. Why do I do this? Well, it's okay. This is my only hobby. I'm collecting cards, and cards are like $5 to $10 anyway. Collecting playing cards. So this is my only hobby. So in a year, I probably spend $500 in my hobby. So I'm just trying to make myself feel better about spending money. This was a gift. The Osmo, spending money. Anyway, instead of rambling on, I'll end it there. But we'll see what kind of stuff I can make with these glasses and with the channel and with YouTube Shorts, maybe Instagram Shorts too. Maybe I'll try to live stream on Instagram. That's the thing is, it's only on Instagram because it's Meta. It's in the metaverse, so it has to be Meta, like Facebook or Instagram. But yeah, here it is. This is my. Does it look good? Do I look nerdy? Or do I look good nerdy? I don't know. Anyway, stay tuned to see if I can hopefully keep up every day. And also, I want to do vlogs kind of like, oh, here's a little snippet of my life, or here's a little snippet of a joke I thought of, or something like that. But also, if you have questions, I can use that 1 to 3 minute little vlog per day to answer any questions about anything, my thoughts on something, or my thoughts on the basketball, or my background, or something like that. Just write in the comments and I'll try to answer it through these, and see how the sound is, and testing it out and everything, and do like 30-second, 1 minute, or 3 minute answers or responses to those questions. But yeah, I'm excited. It fits pretty well. I've never really used glasses, but I feel like I'm gonna wear these as my sunglasses, and then as my just glasses, just to wear and to use and listen and everything. But yeah, thanks for sticking by and listening to this stuff. But I'm just excited, and hopefully we'll see where the channel goes with this stuff and everything. But I feel like it's about to start picking up again with going places, because got a little busy in life, and haven't really posted the weekly vlog or anything. But I'll do my best to keep making with these videos. All right, coming up next is Mother's Day video. The truth's out. I don't know. I never know how to end it.